Alright guys, so if your iPhone Air touchscreen is suddenly not responding at all, it got completely frozen like this, or maybe it randomly gets slow or laggy, let's go ahead and see what you can do to fix it. So it might happen for a glitch or bug, or if you've recently changed the screen protector. So first things first, if it stopped working completely, then and there, you can just force restart it by press and release the volume up and down key, and then press and hold this power button till it shows the Apple logo on the screen. Most of the times, after a forced restart, any type of screen frozen problem just goes away instantly. In your case, if it's still there, it kind of comes and goes, or maybe it got slow or laggy, and you have to kind of press and hold onto something to open it up, it's better to check a specific settings for that. So what you do is just go ahead, try to open settings. I know it's difficult when the screen is not working properly. Just scroll down for accessibility and then scroll just a bit for touch. From there, go to touch accommodations. And in case if it's turned on, just go ahead turn it off. Your touch screen will go back to normal instantly. Hopefully this video could help your problem. Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.